Hello and welcome to our AFT Fathom 12 Quick Start Video Tutorial Series, Video 3. In this video, we are going to discuss unit system preferences, the workspace, placing pipes and junctions, and defining pipes and junctions. AFT Fathom has the capability to use both English and metric units, with English units selected as the preferred units by default. You can easily change the preferred units from the user options in the Tools menu. The Preferred Units section is where you can change your unit system. There are multiple options that allow you flexibility to work with a unit system with which you are most comfortable. Clicking any of the units in the Preferred Units section displays a drop-down menu where you can change the preferred unit for that parameter. To save your new desired unit system and preferred units to use with other model files, click Save as New User Defaults before clicking Save and Close. The Workspace window is the primary area for building your model. This is a drag and drop canvas interface that you will build the model of your piping system on. By default, this is just a blank canvas. To help you organize your pipes and junctions in a neat manner, you can turn on the grid from the Arrange menu. In addition to enabling the grid, you can also choose either 2D or isometric pipe drawing modes. To build the model, you use a combination of the icons in the toolbox on the left. If you are not sure what an icon is, you can hover your cursor over it and a tooltip appears to identify the name of the object. Also pay attention to the useful tips that appear lower in the toolbox while hovering over an icon. A junction is just a general term we use for any toolbox component that is not an annotation or pipe. This model will use 2 reservoir junctions and 1 valve junction. Connecting junctions with pipes influences flow, pressure, and temperature distribution through your pipe network. You can double-click the pipe drawing tool to draw multiple pipes. Hit the Escape button to turn off the pipe drawing tool. Multiple junctions may have one or multiple pipes connected depending on the junction and its use. However, all pipes require a junction connected on each end. Once the pipes and junctions are drawn on the workspace, it is time to define them. You can click the List Undefined Objects icon on the toolbar to guide you in defining inputs. As a reminder, follow the blue highlighting to define the minimum required input. I will define the pipes and junctions now. For reservoir J1, I'm entering a liquid surface elevation of 50 feet. For valve J2, I'm specifying the inlet elevation of 15 feet. I'm then specifying a K-factor as the loss model and entering a K-factor value of 50. For reservoir J3, I'm specifying the liquid surface elevation as 20 feet. For pipe P1, I'm selecting steel ANSI as the pipe material. Then I'm selecting a size of 12 inches. Then I enter a length of 400 feet. For pipe P2, by default, AFT Fathom will remember the most recently used pipe material, nominal size, and type, saving you clicks. That means I just need to enter a length of 250 feet. Hold right-click on a pipe or junction to display its input information. Another way to easily view input information is in the Model Data window, which displays input data in a tabular format. The Model Data window has 3 sections: the General section at the top, the Pipe section in the middle, and the Junction section at the bottom. Each section can be resized, collapsed, or expanded. The General section displays basic information like the number of pipes and junctions in the model, solution control tolerances, and fluid properties. The Pipe section and Junction section display input information about the pipes and junctions on the workspace. Not all pipe and junction input parameters appear by default. You may have noticed, when navigating to the Model Data window, the toolbar changed. The first button in the Model Data toolbar opens the Model Data Control window, which allows further customization of the displayed pipe and junction input parameters. There are a variety of customizable options in the Model Data Control window, and changing the displayed pipe and junction parameters is just one of the things you can modify. With all the pipes and junctions defined, the status light is green, and you are now ready to run the model. In summary, AFT Fathom allows you to define the model in your preferred unit system. The workspace is the canvas to place your pipes and junctions, and you can check your inputs in the Model Data window. Thank you for watching, and feel free to refer to the other topics in our AFT Fathom 12 Quick Start video tutorial series.